Today we'll learn how to locate 0.875 inches on a ruler or tape measure. Let's look at a section of a ruler. Each inch is typically divided into 8 equal parts called eighths. These small marks represent 1/8 of an inch. Let's understand how eighths convert to decimals. 1/8 equals 0.125. 2/8 equals 0.25. 3/8 is 0.375. 4/8 or 1/2 equals 0.5. 5/8 is 0.625. 6/8 equals 0.75. 7/8 equals 0.875. And 8/8 equals 1.0. Now, to find 0.875 inches, which is the same as 7/8, we'll count 7 marks after 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our location, 0.875 inches or 7/8 of an inch. Remember, when measuring 7/8 of an inch, you're looking for the 7th mark after 0 on your ruler, which